Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, doing another video today, and yes, I have some more cases for my LG G7, actually from Poetic, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so in this video, yes, I'm going to review these cases from Poetic. I want to shout them out for actually sending these to me for review for my LG G7 ThinQ. They sent me out 3 different ones. This is their Karbon shield one. This is the Guardian. Look at the presentation. And then the last one they sent to me was their Revolution case. We're going to get into all of these. But I'm going to start with the carbon fiber one, Karbon shield first. It's in the black. But let's get into it. You can pick up these cases from Amazon. Bam, this is that one. Poetic Karbon shield, shock absorbing, slim fit TPU case. $8.95. It is Prime eligible. You can actually get $1 off right now if you hit that coupon. So $7.95 for a case. That is not bad at all. Love the presentation from them. Man, that's a nice presentation. But let's get into the case itself. Alright, so here's the case itself. Look at that. Bam. Let's take out the middle. Ooh, look at the inside. Nice material. Little brand in there, Poetic. Love from San Francisco. Alright, so let's check it out. You have your volume rockers, and then you have your Google Assistant button at the bottom. Look at the cutouts, the headphone jack, the microphone, and then the USB Type-C. And then the speaker. On the right hand side you have your power button, and then at the top you have another spot for the microphone too. Let's see how this thing fits. Ooh, nice and snug in there. So you can see the lip action right away. You definitely have some lip action going on. Bam. Then let's check the back, and then you also have some lip camera action in the back, camera hump. Look at that. You got a nice lead in to the fingerprint. Let's check out the cutouts. Look at the microphone. Then at the bottom, they all line up. You can see the 3 holes, the USB Type-C, the microphone, and then the headphone jack. And this is a nice case. The back actually gives you some extra grip. I don't know if y'all can see that. And it has some brand in there too, Poetic. But this is definitely a nice case from them. Let's check out the volume rockers. Definitely work. The power button works, fingerprints work, and then even the Google Assistant, which comes on when you don't need it to. So this is that Karbon shield one. Will it give you that great protection? No, but it will definitely protect your phone. You won't have to worry about getting scratches at all. And then, like I said, if you put it down, no scratches in the front either. Man, this is a nice case. So let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next one will be the Guardian. Bam, you can see that on Amazon too. If you want to pause that and read that, look at that 360 degree protection. It actually comes with a separate tempered glass. You can get them for $18.95 with free shipping, $1 for off too, so $17.95. You can get them black, blue, green, and pink. They're all the same price. So let's go ahead and see what you get in this box. Alright, look at that case. Bam. Alright, we're going to get into that. So you have your screen protector stuff. You have some instructions, installation guide. It tells you to apply the screen protector last, which we may do first. Then look at that, happy, thank you. We're on social media. I would follow them on their social media websites. Stay up with what they have coming out. Here's the glass screen protector too. So you get one included. If you don't have one on your phone, hey, you have this one that comes with it. Should work with the case. Let's check out the case first. Let's see if I don't get trolled by the plastic on here. So this is definitely a 2-piece case. Look at that. Man, look at that. So you have your volume rockers, your Google Assistant button. Then you have your cutout. Look at these little tabs. I love the little tabs on here for the USB Type-C, and then also the headphone jack. You have the microphone, then the speaker cutout. Your power button is on this side. You do have some branding right there, Poetic. Man, this is gonna look good on the case. So what I'm gonna do now is actually install the screen protector on the case. So y'all getting like a couple videos into one. So I'm gonna install the screen protector really fast. Okay everyone, so yes, I'm gonna install the screen protector first. First thing I like to do is turn off the phone. I'm gonna try and install this on camera too. Yes, it might be hard. I probably will fast forward this Alright, once you get the phone cleaned off like you like it, next thing is to install it. I'm going to show y'all a little tip. I recommend doing this too. Taking part of the case, putting your phone in there, and kind of using the case as your guide. Now, like I said, I'm going to try this on camera, but let's see how good I can get it. Now, besides the bubbles being in there, these will come out. You can easily work them off. But the glass screen protector fits pretty well. Look, you can tell. Alright, so I have the case back in there. Look at that case. So look at the cutout. I mean, let's check out the cutouts. Nice lineup. That lineup's perfect. That actually lines up too. Look at that. The lip around there, you definitely have enough lip. The camera hump, look at the camera hump. Yes, you do. Now we'll track some fingerprints too, yes. But you want to make sure you clean off your phone before you put it in the case, because look at that beauty. It shows off the beauty. Has a nice wide opening for the fingerprint. Kind of wish they would have came in a little bit more, but hey, this is perfect. Let's see if everything works. Fingerprint works. The volume works, power button works, and even the Google Assistant works. So this is definitely a nice case. If you want to pick this case up, I will have the link in the description. You can definitely pick this case up. So the next case we're going to open up and review is the Revolution case. Bam, I actually got it in black. But let's go ahead and take a look at it on Amazon. Bam, there you go. If you want to pause that, you can read it. It comes in 3 different colors. It is Prime eligible, so you can definitely get it within 2 days. Comes in black, blue, and pink. $18.95. Again, you can save $1 at this time when you apply that coupon. So if you want to pick this up, I will have the link in the description to all the cases. Now on this one, let's go ahead and open this one up. Nice little presentation from Poetic. So you had a nice little presentation from them, just like the Guardian case. This one also comes with the glass screen protector. So, hey, if you buy 2 of them, at least you have an extra one. Now, let's see what you get in here. So you get the same thing. You get the screen protector cleaner. You get your glass screen protector, which is cool. I'm going to keep that one as the extra one. Then you get your normal books. Happy, not happy. But then I will follow them on their social media. Let's check out this case too. You get some instructions again on how to install it. Make sure y'all read that. Bam, look at that. Poetic. With love from San Francisco. If you want to pause that, you can read that. So let's check out this case. So you have your volume rockers. You also have Google Assistant button. Then you have these little ridges in here for extra grip. And then you have your cutouts at the bottom. Same type of tabs. Keep the dust out of your USB Type-C and your headphone jack. Then you have your speaker, the microphone. On this side you have your power button. Same cutout for the top for the microphone. Look at the back. Little Poetic branding there. in there too. This is a nice case. Bumpy cam. Alright, so let me try to get this case off. Okay, so I got the other case off. I'm gonna follow instructions. You gotta take these cases off, the front piece off, so you install it here first. And then all you need to do is actually snap this into here. Man, it fits snug too. Definitely fits snug. You want to make sure your holes are open, and then you just snap it in place. It might take some work to get around. Just take the time. Make sure you have it all in there. Because once you do, it fits like a glove. Yes, I have the bubbles to work out on the screen protector. But, okay, so if you're looking for protection for your phone, then this case or the other case may be the best protection you can get for your LG G7. Look at the cutout. I mean, look at the lip action. Bam. The camera hump. I like how they did this. Like, it looks a lot better. Some fake screws in there too. A little branding. But you have a nice lead into your fingerprint scanner. So let's check out the fingerprint. Look, it works. Power button definitely works. The volume rockers work. Even the Google Assistant button works. Check out the cutout at the top. The microphone is there. At the bottom, again, you have your little tabs. Do y'all like the little tabs? They actually grow on me. They seem like they will snap back in there. Hopefully they don't break off. Look at the cutout for the speaker, the USB Type-C, and then also the microphone. So definitely this is a nice case too. I don't know what YouTube is trying to pull up on there, but this is definitely a nice case. Look at the corner protections too. Gives you the extra grip, and actually doesn't make the phone too much bigger. Does put a little bit more weight to the phone though, but it's not, you know, overwhelming. So if you want to pick up this case or the other two that I review on this video, you can definitely do so. I will have the link in the description so that way you can pick up either one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so for more coverage on the LG G7. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day now.